Let's start with the 2025 October Pure Mathematics 1 paper. So here if we move to the question number 1, the question number is about differentiation. Yeah. So for differentiation, there is a main theory that we are learning on differentiation, which will be when we have y equals x to the power n, what we have is dy over dx would be n x, n minus 1 would be the power. Okay, so in this case, we can start with our question. So which is we have y equals 6x squared plus 3 root means x to the power half plus 5 over 8. So here we know x is greater than 0. Okay, so when we have this expression, we can go ahead with the differentiation, which is dy over dx would be 6 is here, then the 2 will come to the front, x, and the power would be 2 minus 1, which will give us 1. And the next one would be 3 times half is coming to the front, so x to the power, we know half minus 1, which will give us negative half. It would be negative half power, and when you differentiate a constant, you will get a 0. So as of this, we can see it's going to be 12x plus 3 over 2 and x to the power negative half. So this would give us the full marks, but if you really want to simplify the negative powers, we can do so. So if I quickly explain how to do the negative power, to remove the negative power, what we can do is we can make this power at the bottom. So 12x is kept as it is. So this will be 3 and a 2. And this would be x to the power half. We can take the reciprocal. So this would equate us, if we want to further go for like a nice looking answer, we can go for 3 divided by 2 root x. So this would be our dy over dx. So even if we can also complete our working at this point. So since we are worried about the time as well during the exam, so this would give us your total marks. Okay. Now they are talking about a point. The point is given, this point lies on the C, and find the equation of the tangent to C at P. So we know whenever we take a graph, whenever we take a curve C, and if we find a point like, and if you draw a tangent to this point, this tangent will be in the, since it's a straight line, it will be in the form of y equals mx plus c. So the m, which is the gradient, this one would be the dy over dx value. This one would be the dy over dx. So for this question, what we can do is, we know the p coordinate. P coordinate was 1 over 4 comma 5 over 2. So the x is going to be 1 over 4. We can do the substitution here. For this one, m would be 12 substitution plus 3 over 2, 1 over 4 to the power negative half. So here, once you solve it with your calculators, you will get the answer as 6. Okay, once we get the answer as 6, we know, now since we know the point, we can write it like, now our next call is finding the C. To find the C, what we can do is, we know we can go with our normal equation format. Y minus 5 divided by 2 equals m times. So if I show the common equation, what it would be is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So here 6 bracket x minus 1 over 4. So after you solve this thing, you're gonna get, let's take the y here, you have 6x and a negative 3 over 2 plus 5 over 2. So this will solve further. So once you solve this part, you will get a number as 1. So your final answer would be xx plus 1. So which is our equation of the tangent. So in total, this is our answer would be. Thank you.